CBS News legal analyst Rikki Klieman is with us now at the table. Rikki, good morning. Good to see you. Here we go. You know, you're the perfect person to have here today because you've been called the queen of opening statements. Why are they so significant? I once read that many jurors make their decisions based on opening statements. I thought, how can that be true before they hear the evidence?
80%.
80%
of jurors' minds are made up at the end of opening statements, according to many a study, and there's a reason for that. If you hear a persuasive story, and then you hear another persuasive story, you make a decision, just as how your mind works, as to which one you believe. And if you get invested in that belief, like that's your belief, it takes a lot to knock you off that investment.
So it carries you through the trial.
Absolutely.
So what do you think each side is going to say in their opening statements?
Well, this is their most important day besides jury selection. The prosecution is going to say exactly what it gave us a year ago in his statement of facts. They're going to talk about a case that they don't want to call the hush money case. They really want to look at it as an election interference case. And they're going to get a bit of help from the judge because that's how he defines it. What the prosecution is going to tell is a story of a scheme that the allegations say Donald Trump, Michael Cohen, David Pecker, the person who runs or ran the National Enquirer, got together and agreed or conspired to catch stories that were bad about Donald Trump and then bury them. So one story that David Pecker didn't want to pay for because the money was too much is a story from a woman named Stormy Daniels, who was a porn star who claimed to have had a one-night stand with Donald Trump.
Which he denies.
Which he denies. And Michael Cohen paid her off. So what is this case about? This case is about falsification of business records in the year 2017, after he is elected, to then pay Michael Cohen back for giving the money to hush up Stormy Daniels.
But election interference because it would deny the American people in 2016 the ability to get all the information about their candidate.
Precisely, right on top of the Access Hollywood tape.
That's good to tie that together. But, you know, in the court of public opinion, most people think, who cares? These are insignificant charges. Even if he's convicted, I'm still going to vote for him. I've heard many people say this. In the court of law, is this a significant case?
In the court of law, it's a very significant case.
Because?
It's a big case for the prosecution because you have 34 counts that are felonies. This is not a misdemeanor case. It's bumped up because of the election violation, according to the prosecution. Defense says, no way. Donald Trump was working with Michael Cohen. The whole Trump family worked with Michael Cohen in 2017. These are legal fees, and they're paid for the right way. And that Donald Trump really didn't have anything to do with this hush money payment.
Donald Trump said he'll testify real quick.
Yes.
Do you think he will? Yes or no?
No, I don't.
All right. Rikki Klieman, thank you so much.
Thank you, Rikki.